Assalamu alaikum everyone, and let's talk about ICP. And Bitcoin has been pumping up. Click on the top right of the video to enter Discord as well. And the thing is that ICP right now has moved up and trying to consolidate. So one pump here moving down like this is a consolidation probably. So let's see what else do you have for ICP on the 4-hour time frame. I think there are some few candles that are printed that probably shows ICP might start to move even more higher. Now you do probably are making a pennant here, so this is almost like a bull pennant. Okay, you pushed up, you're coming down like this, you're making a bull pennant. So if you break above the pennant and if you go up to 15.227, you will still want to hear this very carefully, because if these conditions are not met, you're not going to push up. So this pennant number one is a technical target from there to there, and we might be looking at you see $18, right? So yesterday I was screaming 17 to 24, $22. So yes, at least for now we have a pennant that really points up to 18.5, but it's not in play. It's just a pennant. It's not in play. Now the reason why it's not in play, even though yes, it does look like a pennant, but in play really means that you are not coming to the technical target, but you're making that pattern to push to that technical target, but you still need more checks. But what are these checks exactly? This is a break above the pennant itself. You break above the pennant, you backtest. That's the number one step. Number two, second one, is to really come above and take 15.227 and cross it and try to push higher. That's important, because you are failing to cross this resistance up at 14.375. So you still need 2-3 more things in order for you to come up to 18.576. Number one is a break above, retest the pennant. That's very strong and that's very positive. I personally kind of have a feeling this is going to happen. Number two, it's going to happen is because people may have their stop loss here. This wick may be taken out in the next coming few days. So you're looking for the break, you come up here, you take that stop loss, you come down like this, and then you finally push up to 18.576. And if things are good, we still may continue up to $22, which I'm really thinking is your next resistance. If you come up to 18.57, it really makes more sense to just continue all the way up to $22, which is your next resistance. If I show you into the daily time frame here, and that's where I kind of see things really heading towards. That's where you have this one resistance where you got rejected, you went down, you got that resistance, you went down, and probably come up here and touch it again. Now let's say you break above it. Okay, it may happen. We may actually pull a TRB. Do you know that coin called TRB that has been pumping like crazy? We might even try to pull something. If we do pull something like TRB, it's quite rare. I think out of 100 there's like 2 possibilities, you know, 2% chance. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you do end up having that 2% chance and we pull the TRB, who cares? Who cares about support and resistance? What is even support and resistance? Say what? Okay, you just keep climbing and climbing and climbing, and you don't see any limit with ICP. And yeah, a lot of money has been thrown into it, and we are finally really starting an uptrend. If you look at it, you have been in a downtrend for so long. This has been your downtrend, and you broke from the downtrend, you started moving sideways, accumulation here, and now you are starting that mini uptrend. So you're going to see ups and downs, ups and downs like this. What I will say is, if you're a beginner, maybe you don't really understand things so much, just follow the EMAs, right? Bring the EMAs or follow this channel if you need more updates every single day. And here's the thing, let's say if ICP does come down to even 11.47, it comes down to 10.7, that is still an uptrend. Why? Because you have a bull cross to begin with, and all you're doing is going up, you're retesting the 10 EMA, and you can see you really pump above the 10. If you do come down again to the 10 and you hold the 10 EMA again, and then you push it back up, you come down, you retest the EMAs like this. Okay, you go up and down and you just keep on retesting the EMAs. This is something that you can totally do and still be profitable. One big example is coming up here, you can see you retested it and then you pushed up. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.